Actually down here in La Jolla, California, which is one of San Diego's most elite cities, and it's one of the most beautiful cities on the coast here, overlooking the beautiful Pacific Ocean. And what I thought I'd do is kind of a mini walking tour of this city. Gonna head down Prospect, heading south, and then make my way to Coast Boulevard. It kind of follows up along the coast, and check that out. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, kind of give you an idea what this little wealthy community is like, and let's get going. This is just where my starting point is. That is actually Goldfish Point right below, and that's where I'm actually gonna finish up at. So this is actually the kind of the west end of Prospect. That's just kind of a little overlook from one of the businesses I'm in. Take a look at this real estate place here, and I'll give you an idea. Let's see, find one right here. So this is on Coast Boulevard. That's only a unit, and that's going for $3,195,000. And this one is on Park Row, and that is going for $6,625,000. Let's see if there's a... That's kind of an idea what real estate prices look like around here. So just a quick... So it's kind of quiet right now. Maybe it'll pick up later, but this is it. Just kind of an overview of this area. And just, it's very expensive here. All the way from real estate to dining. This is probably one of the most expensive communities here in San Diego by far. That painting, that's pretty neat. So the really trying to improve my audio on my videos. So hopefully with this new DJI, it kind of helps it out a little bit. There's a Starbucks, plenty of those around. Although that's the first one I've seen here. Really fine hotel coming up here called the La Venza Hotel. Here. Actually going to be heading down that way once I go around the street. Girard from Silverado. So it's right here. Now, let's see, I think I will go across and see what's going on is on the other side. I didn't really show much on El Dorado, at least on where I just came from, because there really wasn't much there. This kind of gives you a little bit broader overview of here. You know, although Prospect is one of the busiest, this is also a busy business district of La Jolla. Oh, look at this chest set, nice, beautiful. Thank you very much for following along on my video. I much appreciated. I was just over at the Seaport Village the other day. I just put that video up. Look at this sign. Can't beat that one. Just down in this place. A lot of business. Take a look. See what's down here. I've never been here.
And she started like, pointing fingers a little bit, which was good.
Yeah. No, she's a good manager.
Kind of comes out to the other side. And this place called the Arcade, and we'll go in there and check that place out. I'm just kind of doing some off-the-wall areas or off the beaten path before I head down to Coast Boulevard, just to show you around what's there. So it's let's see. It's called Pete's Coffee. And maybe I'll just make my way around and come down the other side. Cake House. Prospect from Girard, and gonna head down coast here in a little bit. This place looks really busy. It's called the Better Buzz Coffee Roasters. It looks like a very popular spot. Right down there is Coast. Where I came from, Prospect, and now Coast. So check this out. This is absolutely beautiful. Children's pool, so you can actually kind of walk around on the outside, so let's go check it out. There it is. This is the lifeguard station, and you can walk kind of on the outside. That water looks so nice. Busy, and you can see the beauty of it right here. So check this out. Nice surf. That is the what do you call the children's pool? Children's pool. Check this out. Beautiful. Heading up toward La Jolla Cove. But here is the official sign. Pretty neat. Just love this coastline. Look at those sea lions. Beautiful. From Coast Boulevard, as I make my way north, coastline, and it's so beautiful. Check this out. And this is the I just came from over there. Part of it's closed. Which is La Jolla Cove.
Одну куртку убрали, да и все.
Some of the sea lions. As busy this really gets. This is probably one of the most popular beaches in San Diego, so check it out. This is from the south end, and there is a lot of sea lions down there. I just love sea lions, and it looks like I'm not going to be able to get down there. It's just so many folks. It is very, very crowded indeed. Let's check it out, see what we can see, at least from this side. There it is. Wow. Right on the walkway just above the beach. I just came from over there. Definitely the tide is in. And they get another stairway over there. Although I don't plan on going down. Not today, on the other side. So let's check this out. Got some swimmers in the water. Look at that one right over there. He's going inside. I just came from over there, and it's quite a few of them gathered. There's one right on the rock, and the tide is definitely in. So head back up this way. Get one shot from the top.
That's like my dad.
There you go. Back to Goldfish Point. I actually started from right up there on that building, and made my way around kind of in a loop fashion, and I'll go walk down there and check that area out. Got some kayakers out and a few swimmers in the water, and check it out. I don't think this place is open. Oh, maybe it is. Let's go check the, here. Very beautiful. Look at that cove. See that walkway? Just came from up there and circled around. And then La Jolla Cove is just right around this point. It's very neat. Give you a little more perspective. Over there is La Jolla Cove, or excuse me, La Jolla Shores. Right alongside, you got the research pier, and then as you keep going north, you start running into Black's Beach and the glider port, which I have a video in making right now. So thank you very much for following along on this adventure here. Walking tour of La Jolla. Got kind of a little area of, you know, the business, what's going on, and the beautiful coastline of one of San Diego's most elite communities by far. And you can see why just by this beautiful landscape and area